you got? What do you got? What are you eating? What is that? Your mouth's full? Meat?
Meat.
You got meat?
Yeah.
Are you a carnivore? No, 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 no. Stay there. I don't want to hug you with dirty hands. I'm gonna get your meat. I'm gonna get it. It's mine. It's mine. I'm gonna get it. Get on your chair. Hurry. Is that yours? Where'd you go? And done. Uh-oh. Do you have your meat? Oh, did you hurt your hand? Let me see your meat. Show it to me.
Meat.
Meat? No, don't climb on Mom. Get in your chair. Get in your own chair. Landon? No. I'm gonna get your green beans. Look. Got green beans and potatoes. Look at that mess you made. Get up there. Hurry up. I'm gonna get your green beans. Landon, get off of me. I'm gonna chase you. I'm gonna get you. Give me that meat. Give me. I'm gonna take it. Give me that meat. What are you doing? Are you trying to eat your meat? Do you want me to cut it? Want me to cut it in little pieces? Come on, get up here. Come here. Come here. Give me here. You want me to cut it for you? Oh, here it is. All right, we're gonna cut it.